Wintergreen is one of the most common Christmas trees, and today we're turning its oil into phenol. First we added 400 milliliters of wintergreen oil followed by an excess amount of sodium hydroxide solution. Upon addition, the sodium hydroxide reacts with wintergreen oil to form an insoluble salt. But as we continue stirring it for the course of half an hour, the solid starts to dissolve to form a solution, which takes on a golden yellow color. Here's what's happening. At first, the hydroxide ion reacts with the hydrogen ion to form an insoluble salt. And as we continue heating the mixture, a hydroxide ion attacks this carbon atom whilst kicking out the methoxide ion, which takes away the hydrogen ion to form methanol, thereby forming the yellow sodium salicylate solution. We separated the solution into 3 batches, followed by an excess amount of dilute sulphuric acid to form the insoluble salicylic acid. Then the mixture was filtered, and this is what we've got. I'm not even joking. The salicylic acid we made was literally too much for us that it fills 2 A4 paper. After that, we constructed a distillation setup for our decarboxylation reaction. Normally, this synthesis requires a short path condenser, but since we don't have one, we filled up the condenser with warm water instead of cold water to mimic the effect. Soon enough, the salicylic acid starts to melt and bubble, so we decided to insulate it with aluminum foil. Upon strong heating, the salicylic acid decomposes to form phenol and carbon dioxide. And this is our crude product. As you can see, the color of the product is a bit yellow. This is due to the contamination of a major side product, phenyl salicylate. We didn't purify the crude product because we didn't have any plan to use it for the time being, and the phenol will start to build up contamination after being stored for a long time, so purification will have to be done regardless. While we're cleaning up, we discovered some phenol crystals on the funnel. It resembles the appearance of snowflakes, and it's so beautiful. Which reminds me of...
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look at the 5 and 10. It's glistening once again with candy canes and silver lanes.